Well, it sounds like it, yeah. Mm. It sounds like a state of being rather than a state of becoming, because it's not going anywhere or coming from anywhere.
When you say being, what does that mean? Being what?
Well, being what it is. It's not being something else.
No, what does that mean, being? Are you putting being as an opposite of becoming?
Yes.
And then, the opposite has its own opposite.
Well, by being, I simply mean a state which is not in a process of going somewhere else in time.
Which means non-movement.
I suppose so.
Well, you could say that, yeah.
Huh? Non-movement.
If you say what you mean by movement, that it doesn't mean it's static to say it's not movement.
No, it's dynamic.
Dynamic, but you say it's a little difficult.
There is no moving from here to there.
But there is another kind of movement.
I won't go into. If you without movement, it is without thought, without time, which is the movement which we know, but the other has its own dynamism, its own movement, but not this movement. The time movement. Is that what you call being?
I suppose it is.
Is that being silent? For us, we have various forms of silence. Right?
Yes. I mean, it may not be silent in the sense of soundless.
I'm using the word silence in the sense without a single movement of thought.
Oh, in that sense it must be silent, almost by definition.
Yes. So, has my mind, the mind, has it stopped thinking? Has it not stopped thinking? Has thought found its own place and therefore it's no longer moving, chattering, pushing around? Because there is no controller. You follow? Because when there's that great silence, then that which is eternal is. I don't have to inquire about it. It's not a process. It isn't something you achieve, my God. By fasting, by rituals, by all the absurdities. So you hear that.
Yes.
You hear X saying that. What value has it? Value in the sense, what do you do with it? Has it any importance or none at all? Because you are going your way. You're a psychologist, you'll go your way. I'll go my way, because I've said what I have to say, and it ends. Then what? Somebody comes, I'll tell you what he means by this. You haven't time. He has little time. He says, I'll tell you all about it. And you're caught. This is what is happening. From the ancient of times, the Sumerians, the Egyptians, the Babylonians, they have played this. And we are doing still the same kind of nonsense. And I said, what has religion done to man? It hasn't helped him. It has given him romantic, illusory comfort. Actually, look what we're killing each other. Don't go to that. So, sir, let's begin. What is a healthy mind?
It's a mind that's not caught so in this...
Mind that's whole, healthy, sane, holy, H-O-L-Y, holy, all that means a healthy mind. That's what we started discussing.
Yeah.
What is a healthy mind? Neurotic. How are you going to tell, you as an analyst, as a psychologist, how are you going to tell people what's a healthy mind? Nobody's going to... They listen to the tape, to television, say what they'll agree, but they'll go on their own way. So what do we do? How do we, first of all, do I have a healthy mind? Or is it just a lot of pictures, words, images, and... A mind totally unattached to my country, my ideas, all totally, dispassionately unattached.
Are you suggesting that only then am I in a position to...
Obviously. I may be married, but why should I be attached to my wife?
Then it's an idea of marriage, it's not a marriage.
But love is not attachment. So have I realized that my life? A healthy mind that says, I love, therefore there is no attachment. Is that possible?
It sounds so easy and so difficult at the same time.
I don't see why it's difficult.
Because, you see, I hear what you say. I think this is absolutely wonderful stuff. I want to have a healthy mind. I want to be in a state of being. And then, you see, I realize that it's back into the state. I can't become in a state of having a healthy mind. And I can't move by an act of will or desire into this state. It has to happen. And it can't happen through any act of my will. So I have to let it happen in some sense.
So we begin to inquire. You begin to say, now, why? Why am I not healthy? Am I attached to my house? Why should I be attached to it? Wife, I can't exist without relationship. Life is relationship. But why should I be attached to a person? Or to an idea, to a faith, to a symbol? You follow the whole cycle of it. To my nation, to my guru, to my God, you follow? Attachments right through, mind can be free of all that. Of course it can.
But not just by wanting to be free of it.
But seeing the consequences, seeing what is